think I kind of like it. Yeah.
You bad like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning kin folks, what's up? If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl. And if you are a frequent watcher and you have not subscribed, also hit that subscribe button and that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl. Now, let's go ahead and get into the vlog, okay? But most of all, the right now. Yeah, y'all, life has been crazy over these last couple of days. Emotionally, just everything y'all seen in the previous vlogs, especially if you've been keeping up with me in the vlogs. But y'all, today my babies come home. It's been a good 7 weeks since I have seen my kids. They have been gone for the summer, so they are coming back today. They should actually be here within the next 3.5 hours. So before they get here, because their dad is driving them down here from Texas, I figured they would not want to go with me to the store and all that. So I want to go ahead and try to knock out a couple of things before the kids got here. Right now, I'm getting ready to head to Publix because I want to make a lasagna for dinner tonight. So we're getting ready to go in, head to the store so that we can gather materials for that. And then I did want to try to film a makeup tutorial before they got home because, you know, I'm trying to stay up on top of that. Y'all, the makeup content has been doing good on all platforms, from my Pinterest to my Lemonade to, you know, even like my Instagram and all that. So y'all make sure that y'all follow me on all those social media platforms. Will be linked in the description box down below. And I'll also have them linked right here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So that you can also, you know, since you're on your phone, go ahead and go follow your girl, okay? You don't have me waiting. Let's be friends everywhere. Let's be kinfolk. But anyways, you guys, let me stop yapping. Let's go ahead and head to the store so that we can get back and accomplish all of the goals that we have set out to do today. So yeah, I'm not wearing anything crazy. I have on a hat because it's been raining like crazy outside. So, you know, I just want to make sure I'm keeping my, you know, the wig looking good and stuff like that. And I just have on a tank top, some sweatpants, and some Vans. You know, nothing crazy. And this is kind of like my go-to sit in the house outfit anyway. But anyways, y'all, let's go ahead and get out of here because we got to get back and, like I said, accomplish these goals. So let's go. Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. And you gotta feel me. And I would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. It's a little dark in here, but it is okay. But hey, y'all, so I'm back from the store. I wanted to show y'all kind of seen all the groceries that I got as I was scanning them, but I wanted to show you guys these Olipop probiotic drinks right here. Okay, I am not one to be drinking probiotic drinks, okay? And the last one I tried because the girlies was trying it. I hate it, but I'm gonna try to get back into it, especially because I am a soda drinker. I love soda, so I need something that's gonna be an alternate, that's gonna give me something different. So I got the orange squeeze kind and the tropical punch just because I already kind of like an orange and tropical punch type stuff. So I am going to, you know, be trying those out. We gonna see what we can do. We getting into our healthy girl era and stuff. I used to work out a lot. I used to go to the gym and then I fell off, and now I'm like, what, girl, we about to go ahead and get back into it, okay? Especially because we stepping into chapter 32 and I just want to already be like getting back to that girl. You know, I feel like, you know, we'll have to have a makeup and chit chat about it, you know, eventually. So we're not gonna get into it right now. But yeah, I just feel like I could be doing more to make sure that I have a healthy body and stuff like that. But anyways, y'all, I'm getting ready to go ahead and put away these groceries, drink this cry. Drink this probiotic drink right here. And then we have 3 hours before the kids get home. So we are actually going to run upstairs and film. This camera is getting ready to die, so I will be filming off one of the other cameras. Yeah, let me just go ahead and let y'all go, put these groceries up, and I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit later. Y'all probably see your girl in a full face, I don't know, but time is ticking. Gotta film before these kids get back. Ooh, let's try this probiotic. Smells good, nice fruit and punchy. Tastes like crushed up medicine. But I don't want to stop drinking it. Weird combo. Something to get used to for sure. Oh, and after I do my makeup, we got to go through those packages right there. Anyways, y'all, so we made it upstairs to the glam room. I'm getting ready to go ahead and start filming because I got only a couple of hours left to go ahead and film while the house is quiet, no kids, no distractions, no nothing. So let me go ahead and knock that out, and then I'm gonna get back up with y'all a little later when the kids get back. Yeah, talk to y'all in a minute. Hey guys, look, I did it. I filmed this look, you guys. The makeup is bomb. The hair, it's growing on me. I haven't been a bang girl, but I didn't want to do too much on the bangs, okay? Because you know, not too much on my girl. Not too much on my girl, okay? Okay. Okay, listen, if you watch TikTok, you understand the reference. But anyways, you guys, this is the hair. This is the makeup. Okay, but yeah, y'all, I'm so happy that I got the makeup done. I was able to film, and I have an hour until the boys are going to be home. So I feel really good. I don't know if I'm going to wash my makeup off. But anyways, I just wanted to pop back in, show y'all this look, show y'all what it is hitting for, what your girl done did, okay? I feel good. This is cute. See? And that's how you should feel. That's how you should feel. I like this. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish drinking my drink because I have not gotten a chance to finish doing that. I'm going to offload everything that I just filmed onto my computer so that I could start editing. And I'm just going to chill until the kids get here. Hey guys.
Hello.
Hi. Okay, so I just went and got y'all from downstairs. I'm up here in the glam room. I'm doing makeup and stuff like that. I don't have a whole lot of space to film, but y'all, we're getting ready to go out. Sorry, I'm all on the camera, but we're getting ready to go out. Let me go ahead and clear this memory card.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Am I taking Alfredo though?
Oh, hold on. I got you. Just a second. But yeah, y'all. Doing my makeup. Get ready to go out. I'll talk to y'all in a minute. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? But anyways, hey guys, sorry it's kind of noisy in the house, but I did finish with hold on, that's much better. Hey guys, so I finished doing my hair and my makeup. I wanted to show y'all the outfit real quick. I didn't do anything crazy, just something basic and stuff like that. We are just gonna go downtown and we're gonna do some walking around and probably just kind of like just see what it's hitting for. I don't typically walk downtown, but I was invited to go out, so I was like, okay. Yes, I didn't want to do too much because when I hear downtown, I hear parking and walking, so I was definitely thinking comfy and not cute. But I think I'm kind of going both comfy and cute, if you ask me. But anyways, let me go ahead and show y'all the outfit. The top, I'm pretty sure I got from TJ Maxx or something like that, Marshalls or something. This top probably had to be like $4 or $5 because I tell you what, I do not spend a lot of money on tops like this. On little crop tops. I try not to ball out on stuff like that, you know, so this is it. This is cute, okay? And then the jeans, you guys. Yes, let me bring you down, okay? Let me bring you down. Don't mind the stuff in the back because I haven't cleaned up yet. We got packages and we got luggage and stuff because y'all know the kids are back. But anyways, the jeans. These are the jeans, okay? And the shoes. that is the outfit. I didn't want to do too much. And then the purse, this is the only tan bag that I had, and I'm sure I got this from like TJ Maxx or something like that some time ago. So excuse me, but it kind of matches the outfit, and I say kind of, but we're gonna go with it. Yep. But yeah, y'all, this is the outfit. Shoes, you know, the jeans. So yeah, not too much on your ground, but my ride is getting ready to be here. The kids are upstairs. They didn't have dinner. They are good to go. I feel like I'm just doing a dang thing, okay? Like, I just eased back into motherhood things so easily, and it was nice. And I didn't have to cancel my plans for the evening, which was even better. So, yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get ready to go out, and I will see y'all downtown. Oh my God, the makeup, the hair, the outfit. It's kind of cute. I like it. I like it. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. I think I kind of like it. Yeah.